Hi students, in last lecture we studied the numericals on the basis of density, mass and side length of unit cell. Then this lecture we are studying packing of particles in crystal. Packing of particles in crystal, that is every solid having their own structure, own packing of particles. The types of packing particles in the crystal, first is close pack structure. Close pack, every solid having close pack structure. Close pack structure having three types. First is close pack structure in one dimension. Second is close pack structure in two dimensional. And third is close pack structure in three dimensional. One dimension means in one line. Here the constituent particles are arranged or packed in the linear line, means one sphere is neighbor with the another sphere continue in one dimension. Here the coordination number of this type of solid is one sphere neighboring with the two sphere, means coordination number of one dimension packing is 2 and having linear geometry. Then some solids shows close packing in two dimension, that is two dimension having two type, means one dimension layer, linear layer placed for each other. Continue to form two dimension structure, that is this is called as A. Then A layer placed over the another A, again placed over another A. This type is square close packing two dimension structure, that is A linear line of one dimension place for another A, place for another A, continue to form a square close packing structure. Square close packing two dimension structure 2D. Here we see the one sphere neighbor with the another four sphere. One sphere touch to the another four sphere, only four sphere. Therefore, the coordination number in the square close packing is 4, means 1, 2, 3, 4. Here in square close packing, the coordination number is 4. Again, the close packing in two dimension contains next point, next type is hexagonal close packing. This type of packing is different than the square close packing. Here also the one dimension layers placed over each other, but the alignment is different than the square close packing. Here A is placed over the A, both are same, but in hexagonal close packing the linear line A is placed to the depression area of the another layer, that is A lie on the B in depression area. Therefore, it produces the structure hexagonal close packing. Hexagonal close packing structure means in this layer, in this structure, the every sphere coordinate with or touch with the another 6 sphere, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is this This packing is called as hexagonal close packing structure. In this first type, square close packing, place one another, but here in this packing, the depression area of the A match to the B sphere. Therefore, this type of solid produces the shape is hexagonal close packing, and from both this type the voids means empty spaces, or in crystalline structure there is gap is greater in square close packing structure than the hexagonal close packing structure. Here the tetrahedral void is formed in square close packing, and here in hexagonal close packing structure the empty space or voids is less as compared to square close packing structure. These two types are of close packing in two-dimensional. Then third type is close packing structure in three-dimensional. Close packing structure in three dimension means 3D. There is axis of x, y and z. For example, the first is close packing, stacking of square close packed layers. Means from the two dimension, first type is square close packing. Square close packing produces the 3D structure. Means square close packing layers place above, below and front. That is to produce 3D structure. Means same square close packing structure place over x, y, z axis to produces the close packing structure of square close pack. Means packing of square close packed structure. That is here the diagram for stacking of square close packed layer. This is the square close packed layer stacked over each other. Means a type of two-dimensional structures are arranged with 3D manner like this. To form cube-like structure, that is stacking of square close packed layers. Cube-like 3D structure is formed. A type of square close pack arranged in the manner of 3D to produce square close packed layer. Then from C, second type, stacking of two hexagonal close packed layers. That is two-dimensional hexagonal close pack, two-dimensional hexagonal AB type are arranged in 3D manner, three-dimensional manner to produce the hexagonal close packed structure, means HCP structure. This structure is drawn here. The AB type of hexagonal close pack stacking means arranged in 3D manner. This structure A, B start from the depression area, again A, again B layer start from the depression area. This is the two-dimensional structure of hexagonal close packing. This structure arranged in according to 3D dimension A, B in depression area, B, again A, again B in depression area. Here this is A, B. This structure is of stacking of hexagonal close packed structure, means three-dimensional structure of HCP, hexagonal close packed structure means HCP. This is the 3D structure of first square close packing means SCP, and this structure is three-dimensional structure, that is HCP. The voids are less in the HCP than SCP, means square close packing. Square close packing layers arranged in 3D manner to form HCP, SCP, and hexagonal close pack 2 dimension arranged in the 3D manner to produce HCP, hexagonal close pack structure. Means here in SCP the coordination number of each sphere is 4. 4 in front side, again back side, above, below, means 4 in second 2 dimension, and in 3 dimension the 4 in upper layer, below, back and front. Means in here the coordination number is 6. 4 in planar, 1 is front and 1 is back. Means coordination number of the three-dimensional structure of SCP is 6, and in HCP the coordination number is, here observe that one sphere containing 6 spheres, neighboring 6 spheres, and from back side, front side, above, below, again 6 spheres are neighboring with every one sphere. Therefore, the coordination number of this close pack, hexagonal close pack, is 12. Coordination number of this close packing is 12. And in close packing three-dimensional structure of SCP, we get the void is tetrahedral. Tetrahedral void is obtained. Every sphere forms a void tetrahedral, and in HCP the octahedral void is present. Octahedral void is present.